Drivers, Uber Eats app glitches can really just ruin any delivery you're on, especially the shop and deliver orders. I've discovered a way to force the app to accept it when you know you have the correct item and the app just doesn't want to hear it and freezes up when it's trying to scan that barcode. This is just one tip that's going to allow you to thrive as you do these shop and deliver orders. But right from the beginning, haven't you ever wondered how, when that offer comes in, how do you know how to pick profitable shop and deliver orders? Well, more on that in a little bit. I was so eager to get in that store and start shopping. Wouldn't you know, the very first item, this cut up watermelon, that's what froze up in the app. And clearly there's sizes there, and I took a couple different ones with scanning, nothing registered. And so here's the tip for you on how to fix this and make the app do what it's supposed to do. So when you can't find an item, click on the picture of it, and eventually this information is going to come up. It's going to say item details. And in here, it's going to say, wow, look at this barcode. And so all you do is type that exact barcode in. But where do you type it in? When you go to scan it, and I'll use this picture of here, the bananas and the oranges. When you go to scan the barcode, just touch on there, cannot scan the barcode. Then this thing's going to pop up where you can type in the barcode that you already have there, in my case from the watermelon. So I typed it in and it worked fine. And then on some of these, if it's not a container, actually, you know what? On the watermelon, I did have to do this too. Item was 1, and then I had to put the weight in. But obviously the weight's printed right there on the label. This also applies to, say, bananas or apples. If you have to enter in the code, the item number there, all you have to do is put the quantity and then actually weigh the fruit or produce and put that in. So overall, that was pretty easy. Think of the frustration you're saving from having to be angry. Because I'll tell you what, when you want to be profitable in and out of the store, and anything that slows you down is very frustrating. And it's worse when it's the app slowing us down. One little side tip that's good for you. Right away when I had a problem with this, I went and stopped because I didn't want to get upset and frustrated. And I went and did another order. I did the bananas, and then I did some tangerines. This gave me time in my mind to think, how am I going to handle this problem? And that's how I came up with that solution. If I had just reacted like normal of, hey, time is money, I want to be in and out, I would be frustrated and dare I say, angry at trying to make this app do something. So when you get frustrated, go on to another item and give that time for you to be able to think of a solution. Do you know what else is so frustrating? It's how do you pick profitable orders when you only have a few seconds when that offer comes in? And I've got good news for you. I've made a video teaching you how to do this so you can make more money and be more profitable all within those few seconds. So watch that video next, and I'll see you there.